Zoom-Zilla in your pocket? Meet the Minolta Pro Shot 20MP. Your new secret weapon behind the lens. Tired of pixelated memories and shaky video shame? Whether it's your kid's soccer goal or that once-in-a-lifetime safari moment, relying on your phone or cheapo camera to capture the magic feels like trusting a wet paper bag to hold soup. You fumble with settings. Zoom sucks. The moment's gone. You look back later, and it's blurry, grainy, and full of regrets. You know the pain: low-res images, jerky video, and tech that bails just when you need it most. You're stuck in digital disappointment limbo, all because your camera's playing in the minor leagues. Now multiply that frustration by a vacation, a wedding, or your kid's school play. You've already missed too many memories. That once beautiful sunset? Botched. Your YouTube vlog? Looks like it was filmed with a potato. You're drowning in a sea of blurry photos and unstable clips, desperately hunting for a real camera that doesn't require a film degree or a second mortgage. It's not just frustrating, it's infuriating. You're wasting your time, losing irreplaceable moments, and still haven't found a camera that delivers both pro quality and stress-free simplicity. And phone upgrades? Still useless past 5x zoom. Enter the Minolta Pro Shot 20MP, your new point-and-shoot powerhouse. This beast comes locked, loaded, and ready to blow your blurry photo blues into the digital abyss. With a staggering 67x optical zoom, yes, 67, it pulls you closer than a backstage pass. The 20MP sensor in 1080p Full HD video grab your memories by the megapixels and never let go. Thanks to optical image stabilization and 27 auto-intelligent scene modes, your shots come out tack-sharp and insta-ready, even if your hands are shakier than a triple espresso. Plus, built-in Wi-Fi means you can share or control it from your phone like a boss. Let's talk instant glow-up. Forget fiddling with buttons or Googling how to shoot a night portrait. This camera's smarter than your ex and more loyal, too. From low-light candlelit dinners to zoomed-in touchdowns from 12 rows back, the Minolta Pro Shot has your back. The articulating LCD screen makes impossible angles easy-peasy, while face, smile, and blink detection make every group shot a winner. It's like having a photo assistant who never asks for a raise. Your content creation just leveled up, fast, clear, and done in one take. No stress. No mess. Just yes. Don't blink or you'll miss it, literally. This Pro Shot flies off shelves faster than a TikTok trend. Stop settling for second-rate shots when you could be posting professional-grade content today. This camera isn't just a tool, it's your creative sidekick, your memory preserver, your zoom-happy enabler. And it's red. It comes with a free 16GB SD card, too, because Minolta knows you've got memories to make and zero time to waste. So go ahead, click that button, lock in your camera, and shoot like a pro from day one. But hurry, your masterpiece moments won't wait forever.